Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to let you know advanced VLOOKUP, how we can utilize the VLOOKUP with multiple scenarios. So how we can extract data through the VLOOKUP on multiple datasets in multiple scenarios. So let's see. First, you have to aware about the VLOOKUP definition part. So V means vertical, lookup means data lookup. So if you want to extract data in vertical order means, see here, vertical order means this order. Okay. If I talk about the horizontal order, this is the horizontal order. So if you want to pick the data in vertical order, so you will have to apply VLOOKUP. If you want to pick the data in horizontal order, you have to apply HLOOKUP. So here I will discuss about the VLOOKUP function. So see here, I have datasets. You have 4 datasets. First is name, employee ID. Second is employee ID qualification. Third is employee ID mobile number. Fourth is employee ID DOB. But if you have 4 datasets here, you need to pick mobile number, which is available in this dataset, qualification, which is available in this dataset, DOB, which is available in this dataset. But the name, which is available in first dataset. So how we can pick the mobile number, qualification and DOB on the basis of ID? My ID is lookup value, but here my name is lookup value for mobile number, qualification and DOB. But here on the basis of ID, qualification, mobile number and DOB given. So first you need to pick the ID on the basis of name here. Then we will pick the mobile number. So as you know, we cannot pick the data from left side of lookup value through the VLOOKUP. So here I'm going to pick the employee ID on the basis of name. So you need to write here VLOOKUP. Lookup value is name. So here you need to freeze column. I have pressed 3 times F4, comma. Now, if you are not able to freeze the column through the F4 3 times, try to press function F4 3 times. Then your column will freeze. Because this is a completely depends on system. So next is table array. So here my table array is first data set. Select it, freezed, function F4 only one time to freeze row and column both, comma, column index number. My name is lookup value. From name, employee ID is second column. So I'm putting here 2, comma, false or 0. You can put here 0, bracket close, enter. Now I have extracted ID, but I have not extracted mobile number. So what do you have to do? So this employee ID will be lookup value, then I can extract the mobile number, because employee ID against your employee ID, you have mobile number. So what you have to do? You have to apply second VLOOKUP. So I'm applying here again VLOOKUP. So this VLOOKUP is giving you employee ID as a result. So lookup value of first VLOOKUP is this result. This is a employee ID. This VLOOKUP is giving you employee ID. So this is the lookup value of this VLOOKUP, comma. Now you have to take table array. So you have to take table array employee ID and mobile number. So this is the data sets you have to select. Freeze it, comma. Then you have to take column number 2. Against employee ID, you have second column in mobile number. So here I have taken second, comma, 0, bracket close, then enter. Now you can see here you are getting mobile number. So mobile number I am getting through the employee ID. That's why I have extracted employee ID through this VLOOKUP. Then I have extracted the second column from this data sets. So I have applied here double VLOOKUP. Same as you have to take qualification. So you need to apply here VLOOKUP to pick the employee ID on the basis of this lookup value name. So I have extracted the employee ID. So you have to freeze your column, comma. Your data sets is first. So you have to select it, freeze it, comma 2, comma 0. Why I'm taking here 2? Employee ID is on second number column. Bracket close, enter. Now you can see here I've extracted the employee ID. But on the basis of this employee ID, you have to pick the qualification from this data set. So this output will be your lookup value of first VLOOKUP. So this is the first VLOOKUP. This is the lookup value. Output of this VLOOKUP is employee ID. So this is the lookup value, comma. Then you have to take table array. Table array means you have to take second data array. Freeze it, comma, column number 2 against employee ID. Second column is qualification, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. See here, you are getting qualification. Same way, you have to pick the department. So you need to apply here VLOOKUP. First, you need to extract the employee ID. So I have extracted through the VLOOKUP. So wait, I'm just extracting. So here I have to take table array as a first data set, freeze it, comma, 2, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. Now, here I'm getting this value. So this is the DOB. This is not DOB. This is the format issue. So you have to press Control 1. After pressing Control 1, you will get a pop-up. So you have to change it as a general format. Now you are getting this employee ID. See here. This is the employee ID. Now, on the basis of this employee ID, you have to pick the DOB from fourth data set. So now, this output will be your lookup value of this VLOOKUP. So here I'm applying VLOOKUP again. Lookup value is this VLOOKUP output, comma. Then you have to take table array from employee ID to DOB, freeze it, comma, 2, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. So now you can see here you are getting DOB, but format of the date is not correct. So you have to press Control 1. You have to go to date format and you have to take any format. Double click. Now you can see here you are getting this date. Okay. So this is the DOB. So now I have extracted all three columns through the double VLOOKUP. We can say multiple VLOOKUP. Now I will let you know second example of another data. So here my data is same. We have 4 data sets which is applied in this scenario. Now, as of now, my employee ID is here. So on the basis of employee ID, you have to pick name, qualification, mobile number, DOB. So how we can take? So you need to apply here VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this. Freeze here column, comma. Then you have to take this reference, freeze it, comma, 2, comma, 0. Why I'm taking comma 2? From employee ID, second number column is name. Bracket close, enter. That's fine. I'm getting here employee name. But I'm not getting here qualification. So how we can take qualification? So again, you will have to apply VLOOKUP. Again, you have to apply VLOOKUP to extract the mobile number. Again, you have to apply VLOOKUP to extract the DOB. But I don't want to apply multiple time VLOOKUP. So you will have to take here you need to take match function. So apply here match, take lookup value as a this one, raised it, comma, then you have to take this one as a header, raised it, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. Now you are getting name. I think I have phrased wrongly. Yeah. So here I need to phrase column, row. So I have phrased the row. Now you are getting correct data. But when I drag in right side, you will get an error. So I don't want to take here error. So I need function to extract all columns data. So how we can do it? So you need to apply here if error. If error. If error means we can replace our error with any message or blank. So if I want to remove the error with blank, so here I am taking if error, then you have to take here blank. So if error means if we are getting any error through this VLOOKUP match, it will convert as a blank. So you can see here, drag in right side and down side, you will get blank value. Control D, see here. But I'm not getting error. But I don't want to do here blank. I want to pick the data from second set. So you will have to apply if error and apply second VLOOKUP on second data set. So VLOOKUP, lookup value is this one, phrased here, column, comma, you have to take data reference for this employee ID and qualification. Phrased, comma 2, comma 0, bracket close, enter. Now drag in right side, down side. I'm getting wrong value. Why I'm getting wrong value? Because see here. So here I'm getting qualification. That's fine. But why I'm getting here qualification? So in this scenario, you will have to apply one more if error to pick data for mobile number. This is not correct data. So what do you have to do? You need to apply one more if error. If error, if error, then you have to apply the, sorry, one mistake I have done. So here I have to apply match function. That's why I'm getting same value. So here I need to apply match function. So you have to remove it first. Match, take lookup value. Lookup value should be name. Here you need to freeze row, comma. Lookup array should be this header. Okay, because I'm taking data from second set. Freezed it, comma 0, bracket close, comma 0 for bracket close. So here first 0 is for match, this match, second 0 is for this VLOOKUP. Enter. Now drag in right side, Control R, Control D. So here I'm getting data from two sets, first set and second set. But I'm not getting data from third set and fourth set. So you will have to apply one more if error. So here I will apply if error. If error, you need to apply VLOOKUP match on third data set. So you need to put your pointer at last, comma, VLOOKUP. Lookup value should be this one, freezed column, comma, then you have to take third set. So you have to take range as a third set, freezed it, comma, match, So you have to take lookup value as a name, and you have to freeze here row, comma, lookup array. Lookup array you have to take as a third set header. So here is third set, freezed it, comma, 0, bracket close, comma, 0 for match. So you can see the complete formula. See here, complete formula. Enter. Now you are getting Control R, Control D, you are getting mobile number as well. One more if error you need to apply if you need to take DOB. So you have to apply one more if error. This if error means if we are getting error, then you have to find out the data on fourth set. So now you have to take comma, then VLOOKUP again. Lookup value should be this one. Freezed here, column, comma. You need to take fourth data sets as a array, freezed it, comma. You have to apply here match function. Lookup value of match function will be same as a name. Whenever I will drag in right side, automatically it will change the lookup value. Okay. So here you need to take freezed here row, comma. Then you have to take reference of header from fourth data set. Freezed it, comma, 0, bracket close, comma, 0 for VLOOKUP. So why I'm taking everywhere 0 twice? So see here, everywhere I have taken the 0 twice. So first 0 is for match, second 0 is for VLOOKUP. So enter here. Why I'm getting this window? Because my column is not completed. So here I need to close two brackets. So the message is saying you want to adjust your column. See here, two column adjusted. So if you click on yes, then column will adjust and you will get data. Yes. Now drag in right side and Control R, Control D. Now you can see here you are getting data, but DOB is not in correct format. So you have to select it, Control 1, you have to go to data, date, and you have to take this date format. Now you can see here I have extracted all data from 4 sets. So this is the second example. Third example. So here I have data in 3 sets. Similar types of data in 3 sets. Second set, third set. So what I have to do, I need to pick this data, total salary and department. So here my lookup value is ID. So few IDs I have taken from this data set as a lookup value. Few IDs I have taken from second data sets as a lookup value. And few IDs I have taken third data sets as a lookup value into this list. Okay. So now what you have to do, you need to pick the total salary and department. So here I'm applying VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this one. You have to freeze your column, comma. Then you have to take table array. So here I'm taking table array as a first data set. Freezed it, comma. Then you have to take match function because you need to pick data for 2 headers. So you have to apply match function. Lookup value will be this total salary. Freezed here row, comma. Then you have to take lookup array. Lookup array should be header in match. In this range, you have to pick the position of total salary into header, comma, 0 for match, comma, 0 for VLOOKUP. Now you are able to pick the data. So this ID is not matching in first set. So you are getting error. Drag in downside, Control D, Control R. So A039 is matching in this data sets. So you are getting data. So this is the A039. So you are getting data for Jessica. So here I'm getting. If you want to pick the name, so you need to type your name and you have to drag same formula to pick the data. Control R, Control D. Okay. But rest of the data against all the IDs excluding 1039, I'm not getting data. I'm getting error. So how we can replace the error? So I have already covered in previous section and previous example. So here you need to apply if error. If error, then you have to take here comma, then you have to apply VLOOKUP and you have to take lookup value. You have to take here lookup value. You have to freeze here column, comma, apply VLOOKUP match on second data set. So you have to take here complete range, freezed, comma, then you have to apply match. Take reference of header. Header should be lookup value. You have to take here row freezing, comma, then you have to take second set header reference. So I have taken the complete range, freezed it, comma 0, bracket close, comma 0. This 0 is for VLOOKUP. Now enter. Now you will get data for second data source. So see here, whatever data I'm getting, so A025 is available in second data sets and A020 is also available in second data set. Rest of the data is not matching in second data set and first data set as well. So you have to apply one more if error and VLOOKUP and match function to pick the data from third data set. So you need to apply here if error again. If error means we are replacing our error. So make sure if you are getting any error in entire formula, then this if error will replace those errors. Okay, comma, I want to replace the error with finding data with third data set. So you need to apply VLOOKUP again. Take lookup value is this one. You have to take here this, comma, then you have to take third data set. So you have to take third data set reference, freeze it, comma, two, comma, then you have to take match function, take lookup value as a total salary, freeze here, row, comma, then you have to take lookup array. Lookup array will be header of third data set. I have taken the header, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. No, so I forgot to apply 0 for VLOOKUP. So you need to cancel and you have to apply here comma 0 bracket close, enter, enter. So now I have extracted data from all three sets. Most of the data I have received, but A100 against A100 I'm not getting data, against A200 I'm not getting data because A100 and A200 is not matching in all three data sets. As of now I don't have more data sets to match the data. So what you have to do, you have to replace the value, replace the error with blank. So you have to take here, or you can set the message. So you need to take here if error and you have to put your pointer at last and comma. If you want to take blank, then you have to take inverted comma twice, enter, enter. Now you are getting blank. Against both ID, you are getting blank because this is data not matching in any of the sets. If you want to set the message, you can set here no data. No data. Now you will get message, no data. See here. So this is the third example. Now I'll let you know fourth example. So here I want to pick salary on the basis of this name. Where is my data sets? So you have to check the data sets. Here my data sets is this one. So in these data sets, you have Mohan Kumar, Rajesh Sinha, Akash Kumar, Nitesh Singh, Ravish Jha. But my lookup value is only first name. So see here lookup value. See here, my lookup value is only first name. So it will not match. So let's see. Here I'm applying VLOOKUP, lookup value, comma. Then you have to take table array. So I have taken the table array, frised it, comma, 2. Why I'm taking here 2? Because second column data you need to pick. Comma 0, bracket close, enter. I'm getting error because this 0 is not giving you exact match value. So if I apply here 1, then you can see here I'm not getting data. I'm getting data for Ravish, but let me check. Is it correct data or not? So see here, 1079 is not correct data for Ravish. So what you have to do here, let's see. So if my data is not extracted here because of lookup value is not completely matched. So you need to apply here. You have to take lookup value and then you need to take here ampersand and here you need to use wildcard as a star because first name is perfectly matching, but through the wildcard I will match second. I will read the second name. Second means last name. Enter. Still I'm not getting data. So why I'm not getting data? Let me check. So here I have taken A1286 Here you need to apply. Instead of 1, you need to apply 0. Enter. Now you can see here you are getting data. So Mohan 3576, Akash 4297. So see here, Mohan 3576, Akash 4297, Ravish Jha 3556. So here I have extracted the partially matched data. So my lookup value is partially matched with datasets. So that's why I'm applying here a star. So that's why we are getting data with partial match. So now I'm giving you another example. Suppose we have 2 years data. So the year says, suppose this year is 2022 and this year is 2023. So what you have to do? You have two data sets. Only salary is changed. Okay. Department is almost same, but salary is changed for most of the employee. So you need to apply. So here I want to pick. Here I will take name. On the basis of name, I want to pick the data. Name and so give me 1 minute. So here you have two data sets, 2022 and 2023. Now I need to pick few names. So here I'm taking few names, copied and paste into this area. So I paste it. Now I'm putting here header. Now here you need to take total salary. So I'm taking header format. So see here, Control B, bold, table. Now here you need to pick the total salary on the basis of this year. So if I type here 2022, then I will get the salary for 2022. If I put here 2023, then I will get total salary for 2023.
So see here how we can do it. So you need to take this value. You have to go to data validations, data validation, data validation, and here I will take list, and here I will take 2022 comma 2023. Then I will take a drop down list. So see here in this drop down list you have year. So here on the basis of year I will pick the total salary. So you need to apply here equal to, if this value is 2022, then you have to apply VLOOKUP match on 2022 datasets. So you have to freeze here column, comma, you have to go there. Here I need to select the data from name to total salary from dataset 2022. So I have selected it, freezed it, comma, then you have to take here column number 2, comma. Why I'm taking here column number 2? No, here I need to take column number 7, comma 0, bracket close. Why I'm taking column number 7? Because in column number 7, I need salary. So first I'm entering. So here I'm getting total salary from the column number 7. So why I have taken this column number 7 here? Because column number 7 has total salary. In this data set, my lookup value is name. So my column number 7 is total salary. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 7th number column. So that's why I'm putting here column number 7 in this formula. So this is the column number 7 to pick the total salary. Now, if I select here 2023, then you will get here false because I have not extracted data from 2023 data sets. So you need to apply here one more if. You have to remove last comma, then apply one more if, then you have to take reference of this, freeze it completely, comma 2023, comma VLOOKUP. You have to go to datasets 2023. So here I need to take data from name to total salary. Freezed it, comma 7, comma 0, bracket close, enter, enter. So here I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? So maybe some issues I have done. So you have to close it, bracket close, enter. No. So wait, I'm just removing this bracket. You have to apply here. No need to apply here if. You need to apply here directly VLOOKUP on third data set, second data set for 2020. Lookup value, comma, then you have to take data sets from 2023. So I'm taking here name to total salary, freezed it, comma 7, comma 0, bracket close, enter. So see here I'm getting data from 2023. So here I'm just checking data for 2022. So salary is changed. Here I'm taking data from 2023. Data is extracted. So that's all for this section. Thank you so much.